Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Well, going to be doing another review, unboxing and review of this box right here. It's a nice looking box, I would say. Now, a company reached out to me and asked me if I would do a video on a product for them. The company's name is Rovsun, and I'll have a link down below to their website and where you can get one of these. What this is a 2-burner propane stove, camp style stove. So let's go ahead and open it up. I have a cook I'm going to be doing where this is going to be very handy. I got to make up a brine sauce, and I figured, why not? Let's try it out on this. So let's get it open and see what we got. Got my handy dandy box knife right here. We're just going to do this right here, see if we can find some of the tape marks. Looks like it's actually on this side. There we go. Come around over here. See if that's good enough. Yeah. So I'm going to set it down here. And we'll open it. No, we won't open it up. We'll open it up like this. Ooh. So it's got my favorite styrofoam. You adjust this camera here so you get a better view of it. So there you can see it's all in here. It's got their name on the front. Just going to pull it out very carefully. You have your propane hose. See if anything else is loose. I don't think so. So what I'm going to do is we'll just do it the old-fashioned way. Ta-da! All right, this is your cook area right here. Nice looking burners. Wow, those are nice looking. I'll bring you over closer once we get into the assembly of it all. Wow, this is actually pretty nice. I like it. Okay. Have another box of parts here. And let's see, down in the box, I've got the knobs that go on the front. And we have our instructions. It's like a one-page instruction. That's all that's left in the box. Get that out of our way. Let's see here. Let me get my glasses. So, as you can see here, these burners they can come in a 1-burner, a 2-burner, and then a 3-burner. This is just a 2-burner. Rovsun outdoor burner. This manual contains the assembly. So there's not a whole lot to assemble. Connect hose to burner, connect hose to propane, light burner, adjust heat, turn off appliance, cleaning, storage, and then your safety. So really simple. These are probably the legs that are in here. You got your knobs. There's actually 3 knobs in here, so they must send an extra one. Got one little piece of styrofoam on there. All right, let's get this open so we have a better view of what we're doing here. Yeah, these are the legs. Nice tall legs. Cool. Yep. More cardboard. Here's the legs. They just have a tapered end on one end that you set it on. So get these all unwrapped, and then we'll get in here close and take a look at it. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take this, the box, set it there, and take the actual burner part, and we're going to flip it upside down here, like so. Alright, okay, I see how it goes. So your legs have little wing nuts, basically, eye hooks on it. Let's see if I can zoom in there so you can see. So there's the eye hook. So we're going to take one of the legs here. We're going to slip it in the hole, like so. And we're going to tighten that little eye hook down. Alright. So it doesn't, until it doesn't come loose. Do the same thing for the back one. See, I got the back one sitting there. Tighten this little eye hook down. There. Leg in there. And that makes it kind of portable too, because you can just take those right out of there too. So you don't have to leave the legs on if you don't want to. Yeah. So there we have all the legs down. Now, as you can see, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just ever so carefully set it like this. This is for the propane line. You have right here. So really simple to assemble. Here's your propane line. Just take it and we'll just thread it on here. Make sure that we're threading it the right way. There we go. Alright, I got a crescent wrench here. This like so. The only thing, I don't want this to back off on its own, so we're just going to bring it in something like that to where it won't unscrew. And we'll leave it just like that. So you can see I can pick this up with one arm. It's not extremely heavy. Let's go ahead and get our box out of the way here. Okay. So here it is. All put together except for the two knobs, burner knobs. We'll just get it on here, and they have a flat, and you have a flat on this, so let's just line up our flats. Very nice. There we go. All right. So there it is. The Rovsun 2-burner propane stove. And you see you've got your front dials, and then we'll get a propane bottle, we'll put it on the back, and we'll get this thing lit. Alright, got my propane bottle here. We'll just give it a quick little connection. Now you have an opening on your actual line as well as in your propane bottle, so you can adjust both right here at the bottle. Slide this out of the way a little bit. We'll open up the bottle. So I opened up the bottle, but I didn't open up the red line on your intake of propane. Before I do that, I wanted to give you some quick measurements of this thing. So right now it is 30 inches tall It is 31 inches wide and 16 inches deep. That's how big this thing is. This is the 2 burner. So, good size. Let me find a lighter and we'll light it up. For lighting instructions, it says, using a long handled match or lighter, light the burner while slowly opening the regulator on the stove. We'll go ahead and open this. It's a 20 psi regulator on the line. So let's just get our lighter going here. Go ahead and get her going good here. All right. Got those all lit. See what happens when we open this one. See, I just go around and kind of light them all. Get them going good. Back off. Turn it up a little bit. There you can see it's going pretty good. Definitely getting warm. Like I said, I got a brine that I'm going to need to make up and heat up some water. So we're going to use this for tomorrow. And we'll test it out and see how well it does heating up water. But this is kind of, you know, an unboxing and a review. We'll let this kind of heat up for a little bit, burn itself in a little bit, and we will see how it does tomorrow. You can see how quickly, if I just turn it down, shuts both of them off very quickly. And we'll come back in, get them all lit. We'll get it turned up and let it just kind of warm up for a bit. Definitely putting some heat out. This will be nice out in the shack during these cold months. So, Rovsun 2 burner. I like it so far. Definitely get some use out of this. I will tell you that. I'll have a link down in the description on where you could find these. And you saw how quick and easy it went together. How quick I got it lit, and just gonna let it burn in. Probably just needs to burn up for a little bit to be totally ready to go. So how easy those legs went on, how easy they'll break back down if you want to store it somewhere, and yeah, perfect for camping or even like what I'm going to be. I'm sure you saw me. I have that little 1 burner for my turkey fryer. Is the easiest way to say it. But this, nice and tall, we'll get use out of this. It'll work great. All right. Until next time, my friends. Thank you for watching. Grill on.